I'm just going to show you guys a real quick example using the brand new one-click skin action from the Newborn Nerds. This came out yesterday and it's going to be a lifesaver, I hope. So I have my image here and hit play on one-click skin. And what this is going to do is it's going to even out the skin tones while retaining the texture of the baby's skin and not really affecting that at all. It's also going to target the skin tones and not the anything around, the eyes, the background, the clothes, whatever. It should leave that intact and not really affect it too much. So, if at all. So once you run it, it's going to pop up with this little kind of explanation here on what to do. You can hit stop on that. If you don't want that to pop up every time, you can definitely go in and click this drop down by the action and then scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says stop, select that and trash it. You don't have to keep that pop up there. If all you're deleting is this stop part, then it'll be fine. It'll run just fine without that. That way you can use this action to sort of just batch it and it'll be a lot quicker. You won't have to click stop every time it runs on a photo. So this ran at the default intensity that I have this action set to. It's a pretty intense on this image. I'd probably tone it down to like 80% or so, 75, whatever. So here's the before and after for me. If you want to click add in more detail here, you can do that. Sometimes I find myself needing to do this on like the closer up images. I probably won't have that selected on here. You can also go in and kind of mess around with changing the opacity of the layers inside the action, but mostly you're probably going to be just messing with the opacity of the entire layer grouping. So again, here is my before and my after. Just kind of a nice little subtle, I feel like perfect amount of skin smoothing. So I really hope you guys enjoy this action and I hope that it speeds up your editing process, and let me know if you have any questions.